Okay, Bobby.
Here he comes, Daddy. He's waiting on Daddy. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Jump.
Good job, baby. No, it's going.
She took a movie. Forgot. Mommy took a movie of you.
Can you show the camera how you dunk your head? Like a big boy?
Gotta go to the ladder. Come on.
Okay. Get Daddy.
Here, ready? Ready? Let's swim again. Swim. Remember how we swam before? Let's go like this. Move them arms and legs. I hate to tell you, belly. Boy. Kick your feet. Move your arms. Move your arms. Hey, keep going. Gavin. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah.
Good job.
Ready?
Yeah.
He's with every time he's in the pool. Try it
Yeah.
again so she makes sure she pushes the camera button. Go way under. Okay, just
Can you jump to Daddy?
How much water do you need? Your feet shriveled
Jump
up.
from there? Or you want to jump?
No, I want to swim to you.
All right, come on. You didn't swim at all. You grabbed my hands and pulled yourself over here.
Blake.
Monkey boy.
Blake. Hi,
Look
baby.
at these feet, Daddy.
Dad, go on the
Look at these
floor.
feet.
Gavin.
Boom.
Wrinkle Tootsies. They're shriveled up.
Wrinkle Tootsies.
They're all shriveled.
Gavin. Gav.
So
Gavin. Hi,
He
baby.
is in heaven. He is loving this.
I got him.